So even in these extreme Arizona crazy temperatures, painting the exterior of your house during the summer can be the way to go. And that's why we have Doug Karras of Arizona Painting Company here with us today to tell us a little bit more. So Doug, thanks for being here with us today.
Yeah, thank you for having me. Excited to be here.
Absolutely. Yeah, no, this is something I think we're going to kind of debunk for people today. But before we get into that, tell me a little bit about you guys at Arizona Painting Company and what all you do.
Yes, we're a residential and commercial interior, exterior painting company. So we paint houses, buildings. We also do epoxy floor coatings, paint cabinets inside. We have a lot of different services that we offer.
Nice. Oh my gosh. So you guys do everything from floor to ceiling, inside, outside. You literally got everybody covered.
We do, yeah. We try to, offer to homeowners in Arizona, an option, anything they need to have painted. We want to be able to help them out with that.
That's really awesome. So the main thing that we're kind of touching on today is painting the exterior of your house. Because Brad and I were talking earlier, and we were like, wait. Do they mean it's a great time to paint the inside? No, the outside of your house, even in this crazy heat.
It is, yeah. It's a myth that you can't paint outside once temperatures get over 100 degrees. And, we've found we have a great process how we do it. Our guys start really early in the morning. They're getting done by 12, 1 o'clock. We work, in the shade, but we also use a really good paint product from Sherwin-Williams. It's called Latitude, that it's designed to be painted up to temps up to 120 degrees.
Wow. Okay, so then we're pretty much covered unless we have one of those crazy 122 Arizona days. No, it sounds like you guys have that pretty much covered, because I always wondered, sometimes you'll see the street signs here in Arizona where it's kind of melted. So they didn't have the same plan that you guys have.
Yeah, they probably maybe weren't, using the right product. But yeah, really just making sure, we follow the process in our guys. Like I said, we start really early, and if they're not painting at your house, they're painting somewhere else. So we want to make sure we have that process dialed in so we can give a really good product to our homeowners, to our customers, and, do a really good job even during the summer months.
Yeah, I love that. What about bigger jobs? Because I know you mentioned that you guys do residential and commercial. Are you doing those big commercial jobs even during the summer as well?
Yeah, same thing. On the commercial projects, we do a lot of jobs at night. So we have lights, we get light towers put out there, and we're painting at night. It also helps our commercial customers, so a lot of foot traffic and cars, we don't have to worry about as much of that if we're painting at night.
Absolutely, yeah. I bet that actually kind of makes it a little bit easier than doing it maybe during some of the really busy months.
It does, absolutely.
I love that. And you and I were talking a little bit earlier, and you were saying that, you mentioned you do the epoxy flooring, you do inside, outside, but you do some other things now too that you've added, because some of your customers were coming to you saying, hey, do you do these other services? Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we started getting this, a need from our customers that after we power wash and paint the exterior of a home, a lot of times it leaves dirt and streaks on their windows. So we started a service that we now offer, and we have a couple cruises. All they do is we professionally wash windows after the job's completed. That's
genius. So you can get your house painted, all the floors taken care of, and you can get your power wash and windows taken care of all at once.
Absolutely, yeah. We clean the windows, they look great, so the whole house looks awesome once we get done.
Oh man, yeah, I'll bet the houses are just looking sparkling, beautiful. And that's what you want to do in the summertime anyways, because you're probably not having a whole ton of friends and family come out and visit during this time, so your house is going to look perfect in the fall when you do have people coming to visit, wanting to enjoy our amazing Arizona fall and winter. So yeah, I love
absolutely.
that. And another thing, tell me a little bit about the 7-year warranty that you guys do.
Yeah, so that product, Latitude, we offer from Sherwin-Williams. We give a 7-year labor warranty. So if anything chips, peels, cracks, anything like that, we come back out for 7 years and we'll take care of it. So we have that much confidence that even painting during the summer months with this product, that we can stand behind it.
That's incredible. All right, well then now is the time to try it for sure. This summer sounds like the one to go for it. You got that 7 years. You guys can take care of everything from inside, outside, bottom to top. I love it. All right, Doug, well, tell everybody where they can find you to work with you guys.
Yeah, find us online, ArizonaPaintingCompany.com, or you can give us a call, 602-770-4000.
Perfect. It's right there on the screen for you guys. So if you want to work with Arizona Painting Company, get your house looking beautiful and sparkly, go for it. This is the time. Thank you so much, Doug.
Yeah, thank you.